Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this leave-in conditioner with great sleep. This conditioner will help detangle your hair if you're the type that complains a lot about your natural hair being hard and difficult to comb. With this leave-in conditioner you have nothing to worry because it has a great sleep to your hair. It will help easy detangling. It will also help in moisturizing your hair and will help reduce breakage. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So to make this leave-in conditioner today, I'm going to start with my oil phase. For my oil phase, I have my emulsifying wax and butters measured out, and the first I added in my beaker is my emulsifying wax. I'm using emulsifying wax NF, and I use 12 grams of emulsifying wax NF. It will help combine the water and the oils together. And the next I added is my stearic acid. I use 5 grams of stearic acid. And now my shea butter, I use 27 grams of shea butter and 10 grams of cocoa butter. This butter and waxes will help moisturize our hair, making the moisture in our hair last longer even after moisturizing our natural hair. So next is my water phase. In my water phase, I'm using you can use distilled water for this or any hydrosol. For what I have in my beaker is I made my lemon extract. Then I decided to add my distilled water into the lemon to extract the remaining nutrients that is left from the lemon, and that's why you see the water this color. So you can skip this with the lemon and just use distilled water or any hydrosol that you prefer. And at this point, the next I added is my xanthan gum. Usually when you watch my other videos, I usually add my xanthan gum into my glycerin, but for this I decided to skip that process, but rather I added my xanthan gum directly into my water. That's why you're seeing it those way. And the next I'm adding is my depantanol. For my depantanol, I have 10 grams of depantanol. It's a humectant. It does the same work as the glycerin, draws water from the atmosphere into your hair, making it retain moisture longer. So at this point, after adding this, I'm going to mix it. And the next, to make sure my xanthan gum is properly dissolved, I'm going to move in with my immersion blender and I'll start blending it to make sure it's dissolved properly. So for this leave-in conditioner detangler, so what I did, and with the water I used, my distilled water measurement is 180 grams of distilled water. And for the xanthan gum, I added 2 grams of xanthan gum to this leave-in detangler. And for the going over my recipe again, I use 10 grams of depantanol, 27 grams of shea butter, 10 grams of cocoa butter, 5 grams of stearic acid, 12 grams of emulsifying wax NF. So at this point, after preparing my water and my oil phase, the next is to place it in a hot water bath and place it over a low heat to make sure the waxes and the butters is melted and also the water is warm enough. So at this point, I'm going to, after melting, then I pour in the water phase into the oil phase as I'm doing at this point. And after pouring it, immediately I'll move in with my immersion blender, and I'll start blending this to make sure the both phases are well incorporated. So for this process, what I did here basically is blend for some while, and I'll pause and leave it for like 2 seconds, and I'll start blending again. and that's what I did until I got to this point. And you notice that it has started thickening up, and that's what I want. The consistency is what I love for this. Guys, if you follow the steps and follow use the recipe, this recipe, follow it, just every measurement I used, you'll come to love this conditioner. And like I said earlier, if you're having issues with your hair, you're having issue with dry hair, whenever after moisturizing your hair, this will really help a great deal. So at this point, after blending it to this point, and once the oils and butters are well incorporated, the next is to start adding my cold and phase ingredients to this conditioner. So guys, at this point, this is what my leave-in conditioner, this is the consistency. And the next is to start adding my cold and phase. The first I'm adding is my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant. It helps protecting the oils in this leave-in conditioner, helping the oils not to go rancid, and that's why you need antioxidant in this leave-in conditioner. And if you don't have leave-in conditioner, you can also use tea tree oil for this. Here are the essential oils I use for this leave-in conditioner. And after this point, what I added is my preservative. For my preservative, I'm using liquid German plus, and like I will always advise, follow your manufacturer's instruction while using a preservative to make sure you don't go overboard. And at this point, for my leave-in conditioner, I use 2 grams of leave-in conditioner. I use 2 grams of preservative, liquid German plus, for this leave-in conditioner. So guys, at this point, you notice that my this leave-in conditioner detangler has thickened up, and for this consistency I love it so much. The next I added now is my essential oils. For my essential oils, I added 3 grams of essential oil. Feel free to add the way you like your conditioner to smell. If you want more of the fragrance, you can add more, and if you want it reduced or you don't want it at all, you can skip this process. So guys, at this point, after adding all my cold and phase, then I'm going to mix it. So guys, at this point, this leave-in conditioner is ready. Do not wash it out. This is just to apply on your hair. You don't need to wash this out. All the ingredients used in this leave-in conditioner are safe and good for your hair strands and will never have any effect on your hair. They are all natural. So how do you apply this leave-in conditioner detangler on your hair? After washing your hair and your hair is damp, you apply this on your hair. After applying it, using it to coat your hair strands, then you can use butter or any oil to seal in the moisture. And using this leave-in conditioner detangler will help retain moisture on your hair. Basically, when you apply this on your hair, it stays like 2 to 4 days before you remoisturize your hair again. Guys, I love this clip. Don't you love this? If you follow this recipe the way I did it, follow all the ingredients and measurements I use, this is what you end up with. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share my video. And also to mention, this leave-in conditioner is pH balance. This is 5. The pH is 5.5, which is good for your hair, and it's absorbs quickly, immediately on yours once it comes in contact with your strands. Thank you so much for watching. And the next is, after mixing everything together, pour it into a sterilized container and start using right away. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have questions, don't forget to use the comment section. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share my videos to those who you think that may be interested in this video. Thank you so much, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.